Hello everyone. Hope all of you have subscribed my channel. If not, I'd request all of you to please subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please like and share with your friends. So today what we are going to do is to check what are the different methods for saving our data, to save all the commands that we are using, and finally how to save the results of our analysis. So please remember that if you actually take any data in your Stata format and save it from file, then if you save from here, then it only save your data, but it would not save all the commands as well as the results that you have imputed. Like to start with, suppose we are using the system data as before, so we are using sysuse auto.dta. It will give us the data, inbuilt data of Stata. So in this case, if you could see that this is our data, and if you'd like to check in data browser, you could see these are our data. Now, if we would like to save this data file, we can go to file, then go to save as, and then we can give any location and we can save it. So it would only save our data file, but it would not save all the command that we are writing here, as well as not the result window. As we have discussed already in our previous video, that this is our result window and this is our actually command review window, and this is the command window. So if we are trying to write like say basic commands like tab, say foreign, then say you'd like to take the summarized value of price, you could see the basic results are coming. But if you save it, then it would only save your data file. Let's see, suppose we are saving this, say, so in this case, let's see what is that it has done actually. So if I actually show you, this is the file data practice, and you could see there is no command and neither the results that we had obtained in the last operations is there. So now we have to learn how to save the results first. To save the results, what you need to do, you need to go to file, then you could see there is one option called log, and then you can actually click on begin. Then it would ask you where you would like to save the results. So suppose you would like to save in desktop with the name result practice, then save. You could see it would give you some results like this, that is where you were saving your results with which name and when you have opened the file at what date and the time. So now suppose we are making the same operations again, like the last week had given. So now if this is all the operations we would like to do with our Stata, now you can go to the same way, file, then log, then you have to close it. Then when you are closing it, if you go and you could see there is one particular file that is created result practice, open it, you could see all the results of your analysis. So in this way you can save the results, but still one thing is left, which one is how to save your command. So you could see we have written few commands which are given in the review window, but it would not be saved in our data file as well as in the result file. And the result file is known as the essential file. Now to save all the command that you have written, copy from here, and you can click on this particular window, that is new do file editor. You can click over it. You can save it. That is first you have to copy and paste it here, and then you could go to file, then save as, then you could write you can save it. So now you could see you have saved the command here also. If you'd like to open it, it would give you these are the commands that you have run so far. So in this way you can save first the data, then you could save your results, and then finally you can save all the commands that you have run so far. So please remember, if any Stata file is named as .dta, it is the data file. If it is written as .smcl, that is the result file. And then finally, if it is written as .do, that is do file, that means it has all the commands. So you could see this file is our do file, and the other two files were the smcl file and the .dta file.